Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Wendy from Soap Beautiful. Today I'll be making goat milk soap. I am adding the goat milk powder from Voyager, and according to the manufacturer's guideline, I will be adding 4 tablespoons of the powder to 1 cup of distilled water. And I've already melted them and stored them in the freezer, so they're gonna become ice cubes. This is my design. I'm not sure if I'm gonna call it iceberg soap or goat milk soap. We'll see. So it's just gonna be pure white, and I'm gonna put some melt and pour on top. The melt and pour I'm gonna use is the new melt and pour that I bought. It says this is a premium extra clear, so hopefully it will be really clear. I'm just gonna put this on the top, and the fragrance oil, I'll be using a bergamot white tea. I'm not sure why I'm adding this, but because it says white tea, and I'm thinking about my soap, it's gonna be white. So I think this will be a good fragrance oil. This is 30 milligram. Yeah, so I'm adding the whole bottle. It's in here already. So everything will be white. I'll be adding a little bit of titanium dioxide as well. Okay, let's get started.